Today we are going to make bell sleeves. For making the bell sleeves, first we will take our sleeve block, child sleeve. This is my child sleeve. I have made it first. This is a draft of the child sleeve. Now I will divide the wrist portion, this area, into 6 parts, 6 equal parts like this. I have divided it in 6 equal parts. Like this we will divide it into 6 equal parts like this. First and last portion is more, and in between the sections are equal, and we have to cut these parts into equal parts like we have done before in the puff sleeves. Puff at the bottom, we have to leave some area at here and at the upper portion and cut these portions like this. I have made it. I have cut my portions like this. We have to cut it, but not all though. We have to leave some of the portion like this. I made it, and now we are going to place it on the brown paper to make our cap sleeve. First we have to mark the grain line on the brown paper. I'll show you how we will mark it. Like this, we will take the brown paper, we will mark the grain line on this. This is my grain line and this is my startup line. After marking my grain line, I will mark the margin of 2 inches from center. We can take 2 inches, 3 inches or more if we want more bell, more flare in this. So I am going to mark 2 inches. After the 2 inches, I will mark the area of third one here, the center points one, third one here, and then the fourth one, like we have done before in the puff sleeves. And the upper part here also, we have to generate this part also. Now again I am going to take 2 inches margin here for the flare. This is my third part, this is my fourth part, and here I will mark the margin of 2 inches on both the sides. Now by placing my third and fourth here, I will place my second part here at the gap of 2 inches. I will mark the upper area and the lower area also, like you can see to it. Here I am going to mark the fifth area, fifth point, and as in this way I will complete my sleeve by adding the 2 inches margin after the fifth and the second one. So I have done that. I'll show you that. Here I have completed the sleeve like this. This is my bottom area and this is my upper area. I made the sleeve and I had made the drawing of the shape. So now I will cut the sleeve. So this is my bell sleeves. I had made the cutting after drawing the shape at the upper portion and the lower portion, making S curve on the front side and C curve at the back side. You can see to it. And I am showing the on grain line on it and front and back markings. So this is a complete bell sleeve. To give variation in bell sleeves, we will first trace the bell sleeve which we have made here. We will trace it down on the on fold paper. My paper is on fold. Here I have folded it like this. I'll place my bell sleeve on fold part like this. I will trace it out with the help of pencil, and now I'm going to add 3 inches into this to make it high and low. There is a variation in bell sleeve which we can make, like I have added 3 inches here, then I have added 3 inches in the middle, from the middle, and 3 inches at the end, and then I'm going to join it in the same shape as we have done in the bell sleeves like this. I have taken my bell sleeves. I will give the shape of the sleeve and I will join it like this. So we can make high and low bell sleeve like this. This is my high and low bell sleeve. I'll cut it. So this is my bell sleeves with high and low variation. This is the front side, you can see to it. This is the front side with S-curve, and this is the back side. I have made the crane line on it. So this is my cut out bell sleeve with high and low variation.